Hey CineSphere fam, ever watched a breakup scene in a movie and felt your chest tighten as if it were your own heartbreak? You're not imagining it. Your brain actually reacts to fictional breakups almost like real-life loss. Today, we're diving deep into the science and psychology of cinematic heartbreak, why those emotional scenes hit us so hard, and what filmmakers do to make it feel real. The brain on heartbreak. When we watch characters break up, our brain doesn't just passively observe. It engages areas responsible for social pain, especially the anterior cingulate cortex. Research shows this region activates both during physical pain and social rejection. That's why a breakup scene can literally feel like a punch in your chest. Your brain interprets emotional loss as a real threat. At the same time, the amygdala ramps up, amplifying emotional responses and heightening distress. Your brain signals, "This is serious, pay attention," even if the scene is fictional. Mirror neurons and empathy. Next, let's talk mirror neurons, special brain cells that simulate the experiences of others. When a character cries, argues, or looks heartbroken, your mirror neurons fire as if you were experiencing it yourself. That's why you may find yourself mirroring their sadness, even shedding a tear along with them. Filmmakers know this. Close-up shots, slow pacing, and subtle micro-expressions are tools to activate this neural empathy. You don't just watch heartbreak, you feel it. Emotional contagion in film. Breakups in movies are carefully crafted to trigger emotional contagion. Music in minor keys, soft, slow cinematography, and lingering silence prime your brain to amplify sadness. Even subtle lighting cues and desaturated colors signal emotional tension. Your oxytocin, the bonding hormone, rises, making the separation feel personal. This is why some films leave you feeling heartbroken hours later. Your brain has been tricked into forming a temporary emotional attachment to fictional characters. Why fiction feels real. Ever wondered why your brain can't distinguish fiction from reality in emotional scenes? Your prefrontal cortex, the area for reasoning and context, takes a backseat when the limbic system is triggered. Emotional arousal dominates. So while you intellectually know it's a movie, your body and brain react as if it were real. This neurological tension is why cinematic heartbreak can feel so raw. It's the perfect storm of empathy, attachment, and heightened emotional arousal. Filmmakers' psychological tricks. Hollywood directors and editors use subtle cues to maximize emotional impact. Close-ups to show micro-expressions, slow motion sequences to amplify intensity, musical cues in minor keys to trigger sadness, color grading with muted blues, purples, and deep blacks, silence or echoing sounds to emphasize emotional weight. Every choice is intentional. Your brain's emotional circuits are being guided through the scene, making the heartbreak feel real, intimate, and personal. How to cope and understand feeling emotionally affected by breakup scenes isn't weakness. It's brain science. Recognizing this can help you process your feelings. Remember that your brain is simulating, not experiencing real loss. Take breaks during intense emotional scenes. Discuss the feelings with friends or in comments. Social processing reinforces perspective. Mindfully analyze how filmmakers trigger your emotions. It can make watching films even more fascinating. By understanding the neuroscience and psychology behind cinematic heartbreak, you can enjoy movies while staying emotionally grounded. So next time a breakup scene makes you tear up, thank your anterior cingulate cortex, amygdala, and mirror neurons. Your brain is doing exactly what it's designed to do: empathize, connect, and feel deeply. If you want more deep dives into the psychology of movies, emotional manipulation in cinema, and how films control your mind, hit subscribe and join the CineSphere family. Remember, movies don't just tell stories, they make your brain experience them.